Installation of the Tigermaze window screen mosquito trap. Continuation of previous video. The window screen mosquito trap has arrived, and I've taken it out of the packaging, and as you can see, it's got a rubberized edging to seal in the window screen slot, and the box itself is mounted on their plexiglass pane. And now I'll take it over to the window and install it in the window. Taking it over here to the window. And I need to raise the window again. Let's see if I can do that. Yeah. So I'll raise the window here. And I'm gonna put the window in the slots here with the window screen. It's inside the house window type of mounting. So that is placed in that slot here. Turn it around actually. Turn it around here so that it's facing the right way. And then it's slid up into the slot here. Lift it over the edge and back down. And then that's the final position of the window screen. The plexiglass is so clear that you really can't even see it. But it's holding the box. That's the plexiglass there. And the box is here. Got a piece of tape on there so you can raise and close. This is a cleaning portal on the back to vacuum out insects as they gather. The front panel is down so rain won't get in there. There's a little vent here so that the air that's trapped inside this window area, you can open up that window area once a week and let air into the compartment. The mosquitoes will be attracted to that. You don't have to leave the window open. You don't have to leave you can leave it closed for weeks at a time if you want to. The mosquitoes are trying to get into the house anyway, so they'll detect any scent that's there. Close the window back down. Lock the window for security, just like usual. And it's ready to go. Swarms of mosquitoes coming up out of the lake area to your backyard will be attracted to this location and die. Put the window down. The window screen is down. Open the window blinds, let some light in, and you can't even tell it's there unless you walk right up to the window. You can adjust them if you don't want anybody to see it at all. It's like that from the inside. No one even knows it's there. And it's on duty 24/7, catching any mosquito that's walking around your house. Just this window there. And that's how it looks. That easy to install.